Hey, what's up everyone? So November has kicked off with some great news. A new update is rolling out for the Galaxy devices including the S24 series. This update includes a fresh new security patch and some tweaks to the auto blocker feature. So this update is currently rolling out on the S24 series. So to check for this update, you just have to go to your settings and software update, and from here you have to select download and install. From here you will get to see this new update of November 1st, 2024. And if you talk about that, what's new coming up with this update? So this update includes some security patch and some tweaks with the auto blocker. And if you ask that what is auto blocker, so after going into security and privacy, after scrolling down, you will get to see this auto blocker option. So auto blocker keeps your device safe from the security threats and suspicious activities. Also, it blocks app from the unauthorized sources and blocks commands by the USB cable. There are some great features available with this auto blocker. Also, after the One UI 6.1.1 update, also known as One UI 6.1 update, we get to see this maximum restrictions option. So in this auto blocker, when you will receive a message with an image that is suspected to be containing a malware, the image will be blocked to keep you safe. Also, it will prevent installation of system software using a USB cable. This can stop someone with the physical access to your phone from installing some software in your device without your knowledge. And in the end, we have this new option of maximum restrictions, which provides extra strong protection for the people who need more security. And also some of the features will be restricted if you turn this feature on. And after turning on maximum restrictions, apps installed on your phone will be checked for the malicious activities. And with the new November update, you will be unable to use USB when the maximum restrictions will be turned on. And there is another update also available that you guys might be missing out. For that, go to your about phone, then software information, and from here you have to select Google Play System Update. You will get to see a new update available over here of 1st October 2024. A update will be available like this with the update size of 78 MBs. This update includes latest security update from the Google, and the update is to keep your device safe and improve the device stability. Also, if you want to get an early access to these One UI 7 clock widgets and the clock application with this new UI design, so you can do so by simply going into the link in the description. A video is mentioned there, you can check that out to learn that how you can update your clock application to the latest version. After updating to the latest version, you will get to see an access to these clock widgets. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this new November update that is rolling out on the S24 series for now. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.